Have you ever wondered about the technique behind the popular hybrid footwear designs we see today, like Sneakerinas, sneaker sandals, loafer boots, and other creative combinations? What knowledge and skills do you need to create these innovative styles, or even more conventional footwear, like the iconic side-laced uppers by Berluti? The answer is always in pattern making. Next week, I will launch my new course from Shoemaking Courses Online called Pattern Making Hacks. I have created 25 online courses covering 19 different classic footwear constructions, and this knowledge provides the foundation you need to create virtually any type of footwear. In this new course, I will teach you the most effective techniques for combining and manipulating classic footwear patterns to create any alternation you need. I will show you how to do this while following the correct rules of construction. These rules are essential if you want to create shoes that are comfortable, wearable, and look great, ensuring your ideas are brought to life perfectly. This course is available exclusively to students in the one-year shoemaking program.